Drones have spread like wildfire in the last year, with advancements in both consumer and professional models. They make some of the most impossible chores a piece of cake. As far as the uses of drones on a construction site, well, the sky is the limit.
The freedom to remotely monitor your production and collect data is not to be underestimated. A drone allows you to quickly get the big picture of how to develop a potential location or improve an operation already underway. The visual and numerical data simultaneously gathered by a drone is not only more detailed than traditional printouts, but more relatable and impressive.